Okay, good morning, students. In the previous class, we have studied uh, phonetics as well as add sounds. Okay, in this class, today we are going to start silent letters. Before starting the silent letters, in the last study hour, I have given some exercises on phonetics transcription. Okay, let us see the answers of those questions. Write the words in ordinary spelling for following transcription. For example, the first bit. This is the This is the passenger. Passenger. This is the public and police. Liberty. Choose. Danger. Okay, the next bit is this is the language, dialect, employment. The right pronunciation is employment. Pronounce, speak distinctly. These are the exercise given in the study hour. Okay, you correct your answers with this exercise key. Okay, in this session we are going to start the question number 14th, silent letters. 4 marks question, each question carries half mark. Total 10 questions are given in the examination. Okay, we have to write any 8. Each question carries half mark, 4 marks. Okay, so basically how we should follow the silent letters in English. Okay, English has borrowed words from French, Latin, German and other European languages. English has borrowed words from English లోకి words borrow అయ్యి ఏ లాంగ్వేజెస్ నుంచి వచ్చాయి? ఫ్రెంచ్, లాటిన్, జర్మన్ and other European languages. Okay, for example, if we go to the chemistry, we have Latin names. Some words are Greek names. For example, the democracy, the word is taken from the Greek. Some of the words from Latin. These are borrowed from this different type of languages and these are now in English. They are what we call, okay, these are అంటే మనం ఇంగ్లీష్ లోపల చలామణి అవుతున్నాయి అంటున్నాం కదా. ఓకే, ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ సమ్ వర్డ్స్ ఆర్ యాడెడ్ టు ద ఇంగ్లీష్ డిక్షనరీ. Okay, these words have their own eccentric spelling. Some of the letters in English are not pronounced while speaking. So these are called silent letters. These are comes from different languages. So those words are eccentric spelling ni kaligi untayi, but pronunciation అనేది different గా ఉంటుంది. So that's why some of the letters in English are not pronounced while speaking. So these are called silent letters. అలాంటి వాటిని మనం silent letters అంటూ ఉంటాం. Because of some historical reasons, some of the letters in English words are not pronounced. Because of some historical reasons also some letters are not pronounced. Sometimes there may be more than one silent letters in some words. Sometimes more than one letter also silent in a word. Okay, to learn easily we have some guidelines. Some guidelines for silent letters. Today I will give the a few lines. B before word final T is silent. B before unde final T unte that letter is silent. For example, doubt, debt. T is the silent. Next, B in final MB clusters is also absent. B అనేది before the final MB clusters. MB. If both words are combined, that is called the cluster. Okay, before that cluster word also B is the silent. Comb. మనం comb అంటాం కానీ రైట్ ప్రొనౌన్సియేషన్ comb. Worm and Tom. Bomb. Climb. Bomb అనొద్దు, bomb. Okay, these are the B is the silent. Okay, next, G before word final N is silent. Final గా N ఉండి before G ఉంటే that G also silent. For example, sign, resign, campaign, rain, saverine. Okay, we have some more guidelines. Those will be continued in the next class. Okay, you have to start. This is the only exercise. but you start a new page this topic in your fair notes. Okay, thank you.